happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 1, that is storage and memory. Today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. Now, first of all, today let me tell you what is a memory. जैसे कि हमारे स्मार्टफोन्स में मेमोरी होती है. वी स्टोर सो मैनी इमेजेस, ऑडियोज, फोटोज. वी स्टोर इन दैट and they are all being stored in a memory, in an internal storage, or and the scan disk we are having. The memory card we are having. Now in computer also there are types of memory. There are two types of memory, that is the primary memory and the secondary memory as well. Primary memory is known as internal memory also, while secondary memory is known as external memory as well. Why it is known as internal memory? Because it is inbuilt. वो ऑलरेडी कंप्यूटर में होती है. जैसे कि हमारे स्मार्टफोन्स में इंटरनल स्टोरेज होता है, दे आर ऑलरेडी इनबिल्ट. दैट इज व्हाई प्राइमरी मेमोरी इज नोन एज इंटरनल मेमोरी, while secondary memory is known as an external memory because we are making that. मतलब कि हम वो मेमोरी डालते हैं कंप्यूटर में, जैसे कि हम हमारे स्मार्टफोन्स में एक मेमोरी कार्ड डालते हैं. बिकॉज वी वांट अ स्टोरेज, हमको ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए स्टोरेज के लिए. इन द सेम वे इट इज़ विद द कंप्यूटर एज वेल. Now in computer, in primary memory, there are two types of memory. That is random access memory, it is known as RAM as well. Read only memory, it is known as ROM. You have to learn the full form as well of RAM and ROM. These were the two types of the primary memory. What are the types of secondary memory? The first one is hard disk, CD, DVD. You are all familiar how a CD looks like and how a DVD looks like. Blu-ray disc, it is again a type of a CD. Floppy disk, multimedia card, that is the memory card which you have seen, and the last one is the pen drive, the small pen drive. We will study them about detail in our further video lessons. Today we will learn about primary memory and their types. Primary memory is also called an internal memory. We have studied. It is an inbuilt memory. This also I have told you, which stores the data instructions while the computer is working. वो क्या करता है, हमारे डेटा को स्टोर करके रखता है. The data stored in the internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. मीन्स जब भी हमारा कंप्यूटर टर्न ऑफ हो जाएगा, जितनी भी इंटरनल मेमोरी है इट विल बी इरेज्ड. समझ में आया? इट इज़ ऑलवेज ईजियर टू एक्सेस डेटा और प्रोग्राम्स फ्रॉम द इंटरनल मेमोरी एज इट इज़ द फास्टेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द कंप्यूटर डेटा स्टोरेज. नाउ इट इज़ वेरी मच ईजी फॉर अस टू यूज़ द इंटरनल मेमोरी. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी है यूज़ करने के लिए, बट the data will be erased when the computer will be turned off. Is it clear? Types of primary memory. The first one, that is a random access memory. It stores the information temporarily and works like a blackboard that can be constantly overwritten with new data. Now dear children, in school when the teachers are teaching you with the help of a blackboard, ठीक है, तो जैसे ही यहाँ पे ब्लैक बोर्ड पे स्पेस खत्म हो जाती है फॉर राइटिंग, द टीचर इरेजेस द बोर्ड एंड देन अगेन शी राइट्स. तो जो पहले वाला जो इरेज हो गया है वो आपको फिर से नहीं मिलता है. यस, देन नेक्स्ट टीचर जो आती है वो देन अगेन बोर्ड को क्लीन कर देती है. इन द सेम वे यू कैन रिलेट इट विथ रैम. इट इज़ लाइक अ ब्लैक बोर्ड ऑफ योर स्कूल. अंडरस्टूड? The information stored in the memory is lost when the computer when you turn off the computer or the power goes off, means या तो जब भी पावर चला जाएगा या तो कंप्यूटर बंद हो जाएगा, the information will be lost. In the same way, जैसे कि आपका एक क्लास फिनिश होने के बाद न्यू टीचर आती है, then again she erases and cleans the board, फिर वो अपना वर्क लिखती है. In the same way, the मेमोरी जो उसने पहले क्लास टीचर ने लिखा होगा वो आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं होगा, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. इन द सेम वे इट इज विद द रैम. When we will turn off the computer, all the information will be erased. What are the example? Information exists in a calculator till the calculator is on. The moment you turn off the calculator, the data will disappear. When we are using the calculator, ठीक है, जब तक कैलकुलेटर ऑन होगा तब तक ही उसमें अपन डेटा देख सकते हैं. वंस द कैलकुलेटर इज ऑफ, वी कैन नॉट सी एनी डेटा. अंडरस्टूड द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रैम एज वेल. नाउ the kind of memory that loses its contents when the power is turned off is known as volatile memory. Here it is written, you have to pay attention. Now ऐसी मेमोरी को जिस पे हमारा कंप्यूटर जब टर्न ऑफ हो जाता है, it loses all the data, that type of memory is known as RAM. So the other name of RAM will be volatile memory. Understood? The other name of RAM is known as volatile memory. RAM is also called read or write memory. This is also another name for RAM. So you are having two names. You can say for RAM it is a volatile memory as well as read or write memory, as we can read the information from it as well as we can write or store our data or instructions in it. Is it clear what were the two names of RAM? That is read or write and the volatile memory. Are you clear with the full form as well? Understood? Next, read only memory, that is the ROM. It is a type of memory from which the information can usually be read. Means ये ऐसी information है, ये ऐसी memory है in which we can only read the information. For example, your textbook. Okay, textbook में आपके जैसे chapters होते हैं, you can only read the chapters, है कि नहीं? आप chapters में कुछ changes कर पाते हो? नहीं कर पाते हो ना. वैसे ही ROM है, that is read only memory. Understood? ROM can be directly accessed by the CPU, but the data and instructions stored in ROM are retained even when the computer is switched off. Now this is a big difference between RAM and ROM. RAM में क्या होता था? When we will turn off the computer, the data will be erased. But in ROM, when we are turning off the computer, the data will still remain there. मीन्स हमारे जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस, हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा कंप्यूटर में, वंस वी आर स्टोरिंग इट इन रोम. अंडरस्टूड? द काइंड ऑफ मेमोरी दैट रिटेन्स इट कंटेंट्स इवन व्हेन द पावर इज टर्न ऑफ, मीन्स जब भी पावर टर्न ऑफ हो जाए तो भी उस मेमोरी को हम बोलेंगे नॉन वॉलेटाइल मेमोरी. सो द अदर नेम फॉर रोम इज non-volatile memory. Next, you are having, now in ROM you are having some types as well as features. Okay, what are the types of ROM? That is programmable read only memory. You can say it for PROM. You have to learn the full forms of these as well and the types. What were the three types of ROM? That will be PROM, PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. There were the three types of ROM. The full forms are erasable programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Understood? Here we are having some features of it. Now, programmable read-only memory, that is PROM, can be programmed to record information. Once the information has been recorded, it can't be changed. It is similar like a ROM. रोम में भी क्या होता था, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग स्टोर कर सकते थे, वी कैन रीड इट, एंड जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर होती थी वी कैन नॉट मेक चेंजेस. इट इज एग्जैक्टली विद द रोम. Erasable programmable read-only memory. Now in this, data can be erased using the ultraviolet light. Now this is a special kind of light being used in the computer, and we can erase this data using the ultraviolet light. In this chapter you have to only study what are the types, and just you have to understand EEPROM में data erase हो सकता है with the help of the ultraviolet light. Next, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. In this, data can be erased using the electric signals. As the name suggests, here we are having the electrically. So, our data can be erased using the electrical signals. Understood, dear children? What were the types of the primary memory? Yes, and what are the types of ROM as well? These are the three types. Next, what you are having on page number 6 is a small action time. You have to put the following features under the correct columns of RAM and ROM. Now here are some of the features given of RAM and ROM. The first one, that is a volatile memory. It was the other name for RAM. RAM is also known as volatile memory. Next is non-volatile memory. Next, read-only memory. Now this is a full form of ROM, read-only memory. So you will write down this in this box. The next one is read or write memory. This you will think and then you will answer it. Is it clear, dear children? We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.